Discover the future of smart contract development with Moonbeam, the revolutionary new platform built on the Polka-Dot network's parachain. As the first fully functional parachain to launch, Moonbeam offers compatibility with Ethereum, lower fees, and increased exposure to different networks. With a mission to become a fully interoperable multi-chain network, Moonbeam is the perfect choice for developers and users looking to stay ahead of the curve. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of shaping the future of smart contract platforms. Stick till the end to learn everything you need to know about Moonbeam. Imagine a world where smart contract development is not only seamless, but also more accessible to a wider range of developers. This is the vision that Moonbeam, the revolutionary smart contract platform, is bringing to life. Built on the Polka-Dot network's parachain, Moonbeam launched in early 2022 with the goal of becoming a fully interoperable multi-chain network. As the first fully functional parachain to launch, Moonbeam offers compatibility with Ethereum, lower fees, and increased exposure to different networks. This means that developers who are already familiar with Ethereum can easily transition to Moonbeam without having to learn a new programming language. But that's not all. Moonbeam is also making it easier for developers to migrate their existing projects to the platform. With the ability to easily redeploy existing Ethereum smart contracts on Moonbeam, the network is expected to see an influx of new projects in the future. And with Polkadot being one of the most capitalized cryptocurrencies, developers can take advantage of the network's lower fees and increased market exposure. So if you're a developer looking to stay ahead of the curve and be a part of shaping the future of smart contract development, Moonbeam is the platform for you. Join the community already exploring the possibilities of Moonbeam, and let's build the future together. Moonbeam is built on top of the Polkadot network, which is known for its high scalability and interoperability. The Polkadot network is a multi-chain network that allows for different blockchains to communicate and interact with each other, which is a big advantage for developers who want to build decentralized applications that interact with different blockchain networks. The Polkadot network's parachain system allows for the creation of multiple parallel chains that can interact with the main chain, and Moonbeam is the first fully functional parachain to launch on the Polkadot network. This means that developers can use their existing smart contract languages, such as Solidity, to build on Moonbeam and take advantage of the lower fees and increased market exposure offered by the Polkadot network. Additionally, the existing Ethereum smart contracts can be easily redeployed on Moonbeam, making it an attractive option for developers looking to migrate their projects to a more scalable and interoperable platform. Moonbeam has been built by a team of experienced developers and engineers led by CEO Derek Yu. The team, working under the name PureStake, is dedicated to providing top-quality infrastructure and services for public blockchain networks, with a focus on security, availability, and features. But Moonbeam's story doesn't just stop at its talented development team. The project also has the support of notable investors such as Binance Labs, Bitcoin.com Hashkey, and Coinbase Ventures. This backing is a strong indication of the potential for Moonbeam to continue to develop and succeed in a bear market. One of Moonbeam's key strengths is its compatibility with Ethereum, allowing developers to use the same software development kits and smart contract languages on Moonbeam as they do on Ethereum. This makes it an attractive option for developers looking to migrate their projects to a more scalable and interoperable platform. And it's not just developers who are taking notice of Moonbeam's potential. The ecosystem is rapidly expanding, with hundreds of projects already built on top of the platform. These projects include popular DeFi protocols like Curve and SushiSwap, as well as stablecoins, oracles, and more. Additionally, the project also has fully functional bridges to other blockchains, such as Axelar and multi-chain, allowing for even greater interoperability. As more and more projects migrate to Moonbeam, it's likely that the ecosystem will continue to expand exponentially. All of this is powered by Moonbeam's native token, Glimmer, which is also used to pay fees on the network. But before looking into further details, let's see some important news from these past months. Moonbeam has been on a roll in the past year, despite the bear market. They have consistently pushed forward with their developments, never losing sight of their goal to create a fully interoperable and scalable smart contract platform. In May, they made a huge leap forward by enabling cross-consensus messaging between parachains on the Polkadot network, allowing for seamless communication and interaction between different blockchains. This was followed by announcements of cross-chain connections with Akala, Parallel Finance, Interlay, Astar, and many others. June was a particularly exciting month for Moonbeam, as they natively integrated Chainlink price feeds as an Oracle solution on the platform. This allows developers to use Chainlink's industry-leading Oracle network to build DeFi applications using high-quality, decentralized data, all without leaving the Polkadot ecosystem. This was not all. They also integrated the Tether stablecoin, allowing users to interact with it on the Moonbeam network as a Polkadot native stablecoin. It's clear that Moonbeam is on a mission to make the Polkadot network the go-to destination for DeFi and other decentralized applications, and they're making great progress. With their strong development team and the support of investors like Binance Labs, Bitcoin.com Hashkey, and Coinbase Ventures, it's likely that Moonbeam will continue to make waves in the crypto industry. Let's dive into the exciting world of Moonbeam's tokenomics. The driving force behind the ecosystem is Glimmer, the native governance token that gives holders the power to shape the future of the project through on-chain voting. But it's not just about governance. Glimmer also serves as the fuel for the Moonbeam network, which operates on a proof-of-stake mechanism that prioritizes energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. Staking rewards have been attractive, but also contributed to a lower token price. All you need is 50 Glimmer to start earning rewards. However, with an aggressive 5 to 7% monthly inflation rate, the supply has been increasing rapidly. But don't worry, this rate is expected to stabilize at a more sustainable 5% per year to fund ongoing security needs. But here's the real kicker. 80% of all fees generated on the network are burned, reducing the overall supply and increasing demand for Glimmer. As the ecosystem continues to grow and attract more projects, the demand for the token will only increase. Currently, 52% of the supply is in circulation, with more to be released in the next 6 months before slowing down. So the question is, when is the perfect time to get in on the action and buy Glimmer? The answer is, only time will tell. However, with its promising developments and partnerships, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. And as the supply increases, chances are high that its price will drop even further. Remember, early investors got in at just 25 cents with the initial coin offering, so they are still in good profit if they sell now. Considering market capitalization, Moonbeam currently sits at a humble $200 million, but in just a couple of years, that number could easily reach the billions. But only in an out season, so don't worry, not before a Bitcoin bull run. So what's the takeaway here? If you are considering buying this coin, don't buy in too early out of fear of missing out. Be patient, wait for its aggressive high inflation to stabilize and sell pressure to decrease. And remember, we're still in a bear market, so there's plenty of time to make a move. So, what do you think about it? Are you ready to be a part of the future of interoperable blockchain? Let us know in the comments, and as you might not come across this channel again, subscribe now if you want to stay updated on when the risk to buy this coin will be lower.